So we're going to take a quick look at Murray's Beach. It's in New South Wales, Australia, and it's down in Jervis Bay, so we'll just zoom in now. So the square highlighted section here is the car park, and here is Murray's Beach, and there's a walkway that runs from here across to the beach, and there's also the road access is here.
Ooh, we can hear the ocean now. It's not far from here.จะไปหาดต้องเดินผ่านป่ามาก่อน Oh, look at that. There is the beach. Oh, beautiful. Look at the color. Oh my god.
So this is Murray's Beach in Jervis Bay. It is a little bit windy today. We just come down from the cliffs up here. And along here is quite white sands. It's not like our other beach, which is supposed to have the most whitest sand in Australia. We were there yesterday. I'll give you some footage of that one too.